Hey there, gentlemen! Welcome back to Man Glow Up, your ultimate guide to looking and feeling your best. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 grooming mistakes that many men make and how to fix them. Avoiding these common pitfalls can significantly enhance your grooming routine and boost your confidence. Make sure to watch till the end to see how you can elevate your grooming game. Let's get started! Using harsh shampoos. First up, using harsh shampoos. Many men use shampoos that strip their hair of natural oils, leading to dryness and damage. Instead, opt for a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo that nourishes your hair and scalp. Not moisturizing after shaving. After shaving, not moisturizing your skin is a big no-no. Shaving can irritate your skin, so always apply a soothing aftershave balm or moisturizer to hydrate and protect your skin. Overusing hair products. Using too much hair product can weigh your hair down and make it look greasy. Use a small amount and distribute it evenly through your hair for a natural look. Ignoring skincare routine. Ignoring your skincare routine is a common mistake. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize your skin daily to keep it healthy and youthful. Don't forget to exfoliate once a week to remove dead skin cells. Not trimming nose and ear hair. Neglecting to trim nose and ear hair can affect your overall appearance. Use a small trimmer to keep these areas neat and tidy. Neglecting hand and nail care. Well-groomed hands and nails are a sign of good hygiene. Trim your nails regularly and use hand cream to keep your hands soft and smooth. Overlooking oral hygiene. Oral hygiene is crucial. Brush your teeth twice a day, floss daily, and use mouthwash to keep your breath fresh and your smile bright. Using cheap razors. Using cheap razors can lead to nicks, cuts, and irritation. Invest in a high-quality razor that provides a close and comfortable shave. Not wearing sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen can cause premature aging and skin damage. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days, to protect skin from harmful UV rays. Ignoring foot care. Foot care is often overlooked. Keep your feet clean, dry, and moisturized to prevent issues like athlete's foot and cracked heels. Trim your toenails regularly and wear breathable shoes. And there you have it. 10 common grooming mistakes and how to fix them. Which mistake have you been making? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Man Glow Up for more style and grooming advice, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Stay sharp and stay confident.